What's up everyone, Lauren and Chris here. Today we're creating natural light using off-camera flash.
Let's jump in. As natural light photographers, we're forever at the mercy of the sun and how our shooting environment renders it. 99% of the time, this sacrifice is worthwhile, and the beautiful natural results speak for themselves.
Off-camera flash, on the other hand, can tend to look, well, a bit artificial, but luckily for us, the inherent control that OCF gives us allows us to manipulate it to look almost indistinguishable from natural light. Firstly, you'll need the right type of light source. More specifically, whichever light you choose needs to match daylight temperature in Kelvin. This can be anywhere between 5,000 to 6,500 Kelvin, so make sure your light can achieve this.
Secondly, you need some form of diffusion to disperse your light source in a way that mimics ambient light. We personally love using a lantern softbox as it does just that. Especially in an indoor setting, the lantern disperses light evenly throughout your environment, and this is perfect for emulating window light.
One other thing to consider is using a flash versus continuous lighting. Each have pros and cons, and we personally use a mix of both. Flash tends to be overpowering indoors and continuous nowhere near powerful enough outdoors. Check out the speed light we use above to give you the best of both worlds.
Once your lighting is set up, it's a fairly straightforward process. As a key, your speed light can be moved anywhere you see fit. This opens up a world of possibility, giving you the ability to shoot practically anywhere. From this point on, treat your lighting no different than you would a real window. A closer proximity to the subject will result in a stronger, more shapely lighting, and more distance will give you soft, even lighting. The huge benefit obviously being that you no longer need to move your subject to change these elements. As a boudoir photographer, shapely lighting is everything, so we do recommend supplementing the off-camera flash when natural lighting isn't ideal in your space.
And just for context, this corner of the room had almost no light available, but as you can see, the results are completely natural. Another huge benefit to this technique is keeping the surrounding natural light correctly exposed. With the limited dynamic range our cameras have, more often than not, windows will appear overexposed and blown out when shooting solely with natural light. By introducing a stronger light source, we're able to balance out these elements, giving the imagery a very natural appearance similar to what the human eye experiences.
And even when the sun goes down, there is no need to stop shooting. Just a single strobe can fill an entire room to appear naturally lit, like this one. We were able to transition from full sun midday to nighttime neon glow in seconds. The stressful days of chasing light are gone, and your results won't suffer. Seriously, don't be afraid to implement artificial lighting into your toolbox. We personally could never go back.
Thank you for tuning in, everyone. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If it was, be sure to subscribe and click that bell. This has been Lauren and Chris signing off.
And we'll see you in the next one.